Well, I have been part of Bharat Dialogue function even last year, and I know Pooja for a long time, and I admire her for her courage to overcome her personal difficulty, empower herself, and now working for empowering so many women. So I really appreciate the work Bharat Dialogue does, and I feel very good associating with it. I think women have to lead. The world has really failed to provide that leadership to women. Now, women themselves are building the capacity, the courage, the understanding of leadership, and they are pushing themselves forward and they are coming forward. I feel that it's important to accept women's leadership because you can see globally we are in a chaos. If globally we want to come out of this chaotic situation, we have to have leadership which is not only capable, strong, but also very compassionate, inclusive, and able to lead the world towards much more betterment of humanity, where we should live all in peace and harmony with each other. Well, certainly it is different because women are not just human beings like any other human. They are the ones who are nurturer, they are the provider, they are caring, they have the empathy because they really nurture a child to become a human. That's one quality. And secondly, that human, this whole emotional quotient is very intelligent quotient in women. So that's why they can understand and see every problem from a holistic perspective, and that's the vision we need today. That we don't have to go into one direction or the other, but we need to look at things with holistic perspective. And I think women can provide that. And that is why women's leadership is unique in many which way. Well, in modern world, of course, we have had traditionally, whether it is our leaders who have been in the national movement, whether it is Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, whether it is Sarojini Naidu, whether all our traditionally the leaders who led in the freedom movement. And then later part, of course, we had leaders like Indira Gandhi, or we have leaders like in also in this field of social work and development, that we have many strong women leaders. And women have led the movement for environment, they have led from movement for social change, for elevating people, for livelihood. So I feel that women are leaders every which way, but what is missing in our country is getting women to really lead the nation as members of parliament, as people who are being representing the population. As a democracy, that is very important, and that's where we are missing in a big way. But we do have many women who are very great leaders.